Hi chat. Ah, my neck. My neck is hurting really bad. Ah, but that's alright. I can see now for the most part. And this is gonna be awesome. Alright, hi Quacked, hi Alpha, hi Talking Panda, hi Homie Greninja. It's good to see you guys. What about your back? Yeah, I don't know. My neck, my back, maybe my pussy and my crack. I don't know. It's all kind of. I shouldn't have. Never mind. I take that back. I revoke it. That was me sucking the words back into my mouth. You guys didn't hear them. I think there's a cat for software and game development. A cat? Like a breed of cat? Wait, what are you talking about? Bro, what was that sound? Don't worry about it. That was me sucking the words back into my mouth. You didn't hear them. Oh! Okay, could you change the category then? Because I couldn't find that. I looked up game design and I couldn't find anything. But yeah, and on a serious note, my back is okay. Oh my god, what happened? My entire desktop just blew up. Chat? It's just the Windows key. What did I do? I just dragged the mouse a little bit on the screen and it all blew up. F2, is that the key? F5? F6? What's like the reload button? What did I do? Why is it like this? Oh no! Is it on my other monitor too? No, my other monitor is fine. Oh my god, my other monitor has everything on it now from my first monitor. What have I done? Desktop? Oh no, that's not what I wanted. Uh-oh. That happens to me sometimes. How do you fix it? Oh yeah, I completely forgot about the background. Yeah, this is my background. Kind of awesome. Hold on. How to reset how to reload desktop. No, that's not what I wanted. How to reload my desktop screen. F5 key isn't working. Why is the start button in the top left corner? Oh, right click on the start button, select properties. Where's properties? Your computer having a stroke or something? You know, maybe it's all the sketchy stuff I downloaded. The taskbar tab. Taskbar settings. What the balls? Okay, there we go. There we go. Nice. Okay, we fixed it. Well, what did you do? I have no idea, Aaron. Thank you, Panda. I appreciate it. Ugh. I'm trying to stretch my neck, but it hurts so bad. It feels so stiff. Grr. Alright, we're opening up Unity now. Let's just give it a bit to load. Alright guys, you're here first. You were here to witness the creation of Game. What's up, Pedro Alex? Don't you say your game idea was like sort of those roller coaster tycoon games, except you're the customer and there's deadly stuff you have to avoid? That's an idea for later. I'm not good enough to make an actual good game. So the idea now is to embrace the fact that my first game is going to be complete garbage and make a game where you play as a little car and run over things and blow them up. And maybe I'll add like a little health bar thing that feeds off you blowing things up. Yeah, as you can see, I'm not putting too much effort into this thing. We have a menu screen. There's an options menu with a volume button that doesn't work, but it slides, and then you can go back and you can quit the game. It doesn't actually quit because we're in Unity, but if you were actually playing, it would quit. And then a play button, and then this is our game so far. All right, so today I think I'm gonna work on the options menu. Right? I think that's a good idea. Alright, yeah. I can make a new session. No, this is good. This is good. I don't want to put effort into things. Why doesn't the volume slider go fully to the right? Because... Hold on. Let me enable the options menu and then disable the main menu. I don't know how I'm supposed to fix it. Maybe I'll figure that out today. But if I go to the volume slider, handle slide area, handle, it's supposed to be like this. And then I think yeah, it's supposed to be like that, but the guy just said to remove it for some reason. So I couldn't tell you. All right. How to make an options menu in Unity. Okay. Oh, it's this guy. I love him. He's so cute.
In this video, we'll make an in-game options
What are those recommendations? Wait, what did you see in my recommendations?
menu using Unity. Here we'll be able to adjust stuff like volume, resolution, graphics quality, and full screen mode. Also, before we get started, I want to mention that my friends over at DevDoc have created a huge Christmas calendar giveaway. They're giving away a crazy amount of Unity assets and other game dev goodness. All you need to do is visit the link in the description and enter your email to get a daily chance of winning some of these awesome prizes. And don't worry, you won't be spammed with all sorts.
What's controlling that slider? What do you mean, like just my mouse, or? I don't know, you just click and drag it if that's what you mean, but I don't know if that's what you mean. Don't ask why, but you watched a video called the Thug Shaker Iceberg? Oh, you meant but I watched a video called the Thug Shaker Iceberg. That's awesome. There's a guy too close to the camera sticking his tongue out. I'm like 99% willing to bet that was Vsauce. Let's try and... Oh my god! Was it this? Maybe it wasn't Vsauce. I don't know. Does that look like Vsauce to you guys? I don't know. Oh, this house has people in it? That's a good video. That's like a horror analog thing. I don't know. My recommendations is mostly like Jack Stauber, Jerma, this guy, because he makes really good music, like really good stuff. Vsauce. This one is really funny, but I can't watch it on stream because it's not it's not appropriate for like Twitch. Twitch is gonna hate me. Oh yeah, and this guy, Exerbia. Thank you, Amy, I appreciate that. I watched the video today, it was goof. The video? From who? So many nerd things. Shh. But Exerbia is so good. He's like an author who makes like some crazy high quality stories and stuff like that, and like they have animations in the back and everything like that. Oh my god, MF Doom. Some of these stuff I've just never seen in my life. Oh yeah, this guy is silly. The guy that pronounces things. Oh, it was on the screen? Hold on. I don't know if I've watched it before. Where is it? Oh wait, this is the wrong screen. Give me a second. Oh wait, it's What do you mean 0? What do you mean 0? Slightly higher up? Okay. What even is this? The graph? Graph? We're already getting very distracted. Oh, this one? Oh! I found a weird pattern in how people That's interesting. Mao can't all alone in the room. I don't know. Alright, my YouTube recommendations is wacky. Oh, and of course there's Just Call Me Jack. Alright, I think that's enough of that. I'm just gonna lurk here, don't mind me. Alright, gotcha.
Of random email. So I really encourage you to check that out, and without further ado, let's get into the video.
Mleb is so funny. I love that so much. It's just like, a cat should not make that noise. It's actually haunted. Their YouTube is either Uber No Bitches Nerd or Scrunkly Basement Humor. That's very accurate. That's very accurate. Scrunkly, I've never heard the term scrunkly basement humor before. I agree, but what do you mean by that? I should spell my messages worse so my typos don't stand out that much. True. Honestly, it wouldn't be very out of character for my live chat. Cause like, I don't know. Some of you have like impeccable grammar, and then there's talking panda.
So I've set up some simple UI for our options menu. In here I have a resolution drop down, a full screen toggle, a graphics drop down, and a volume slider. If you want to learn how to use the UI system to set up something like this, I have plenty of videos that you can check out. I definitely recommend watching my previous tutorial on setting up a main menu. But if you hit play, we can see that these options currently don't do anything. I can definitely adjust them, but they aren't hooked up to our game in any way. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video. All the sprites that I'm using in this video are from Ultimate Game UI. It's an amazing pack that's free on the asset store, so you should definitely check it out. As you can see, they have a lot of stuff for you to easily make cool looking menus. But you can of course use any graphics that you'd like. So let's begin by configuring our volume slide.
Oh, so he already has like the entire settings menu made up. I don't even know how to make a drop down. So I guess we're just gonna guess. Yeah. I see, Quacked. I didn't know I had an actual definition. It was probably added recently. Okay. Okay. So. Oh, it's in the Urban Dictionary. I see. Alright, let's create a UI. Let's create, oh man, slider, scroll bar, scroll, drop down. Yeah, that's what we want. Oh yeah, okay. Okay, nice. So we have a drop down now. No, oh wait, we're still in the game. Oops, that's embarrassing. Okay, do you know if you need any playtesters? Because I can playtest, I have experience. I mean, I don't know if I'll need any playtesters, but maybe I'll consider, yeah. Okay, make a drop down. Like, actually I have experience. Interesting. Like, experience playtesting games, or like whose games? That's interesting. I can also play test of trying to break the game, although I certainly do not doubt your ability to do so. Yeah, I'm sure I'll find all bugs on this game on the first day, no matter how obscure. All right, so we'll have like, oh man, I don't know how to do this. I think I'll try and copy what he has going. I think that's a good idea, Greninja. Alright, so drop down. Let's see. So option A. Alright, so this is gonna be I don't know what are common computer resolutions. You know what, guys, chat, just tell me the resolutions of your computer. Alright, 1920 by 1080, that's mine. I really like the aesthetic so far. It looks like a child do it, and then the dad made it into a game. Yeah, yeah, you're right. I mean, I worked really hard to achieve that that aesthetic. So I appreciate that you I don't know, that you noticed. This one is not that common anymore. I just have an old second monitor. That's fine. Oh, I see, Alpha. That's interesting. Okay, common 1366 by 768 is very common. I can't even tell if that's a joke or not, but I'm gonna add it anyways, because why not? I need the practice. It is not. Yeah. I mean, maybe, no, I'll keep it on there as a joke. As a little goof. Common monitor resolutions. $1280 by 960. 1280 by 960. The computer's 1 by 1? What? I almost believed you for a second there, which really goes to show how tired I am right now. I literally woke up from a nap and then started streaming. That's why I missed my old stream time. I accidentally fell asleep. $1280 by 720. All right. 1280 by 720. All right. If anybody with any other computer monitor sizes, they suck. They're balls. Oh my god, look at that. Okay, hold on. Give me a second. Okay. I am back. So, we have this thingy. Let me try and make it look good. I'm not gonna use a tutorial. Because that's lame and stupid. So, the background color should be like pink to match the background. Highlighted color. Highlighted color would be pink, but I don't know. Be like a darker pink, I guess. Pressed color would be the darkest pink. And then I don't know what selected and disabled colors are still. Okay, so just have selected at 0 and then disabled that the same as selected. It looks like that's what I did. So disabled the same as, wait, no, selected at 0. Or 0 in this case would be like that. Ah, that looks terrible. That looks awful. But we're gonna keep it that way. Alright. Alright. Now, let's see. Is the text its own element? No. Oh wait, on here? No, I don't think so. Still. Okay, visualize. Don't know what that means. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. Caption text. Oh, hey. Oh, hey. Oh. Does your game support negative resolution? That would be awesome. Are you smart enough to do animation, Mr. Sweet? Oh, absolutely. I've done it before. And it was awesome. Okay. Alright, this is good. This is good. Yes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Look at that. Look at this. Okay. Then I'm gonna, did you draw the background? Yeah. It's kind of like this aesthetic. Yeah. Yeah, it is kind of like this. This is what I was going for. You know, I was going for like a child drew it. You know, as like a you know you know what I mean. I love how it's slightly to the left. It's not even slightly, it's so far to the left, but that's intentional because I think of everything because I'm a genius. Toggle. Oh yeah, see, because we're gonna put the full screen box right there, and then I'm gonna change this to resolution drop down. Okay, I'm actually making stuff. This is giving me a little bit of hope. Wait, no! I did all of that in the game. Oh, okay, well, that's a setback. Resolution drop down. Normal color. Alright, let's go for like yeah, like that color. We're mixing it up a bit. Now what the fuck? Where even am I? Oh, I'm on the other monitor? That's weird. Okay, highlighted color is a little bit darker. Pressed color is that, but a lot darker. Selected color is the same as, oh god, why is my mouse going on the other monitor? Okay, there we go. Now we go to label 24 and make the color black. Okay. Can you pick the color from the other text in the game window? Yeah, you actually can. It's kind of cool. You can even do it from like the other monitor. You haven't even finished half of it though. Okay, and what's your point? I'm working on something. You can't just expect something to be like done. Okay, okay. Let's see. Resolution drop down. Oh wait, why is also maybe center the text? Wait, hold on. Wait. I have an idea. That's why it's not centered. I'm just saying this software helps a lot. Yeah, this software is kind of cool. Nothing is centered. You aren't centered. No, the options actually is centered, and so is the back button. I think the volume slider is too, but I want the volume over there because it looks nicer over there. Okay, so we're gonna add a toggle. What is going on here? Why is it spaghetti? Spider net. Oh my god, that's not what I wanted to do. Why is it spaghetti? Okay, whatever, that's fine. That's fine, it can be spaghetti. Alright, cool. So we're gonna change the text. Okay, I'm actually glad that I retained a lot of the knowledge from yesterday. Like, obviously it's not very complicated and whatever, but I'm a complete beginner. So like, I don't know. It's kind of nice that I'm actually learning the software now after so long. Uh-oh, what have I done? Why is it just not there? Oh, there it is. There it is, it just looks horrendous. Awesome. Hold on. Let's just make the entire thingy bigger. There we go. And now I can change the label 30. Full screen. Okay, now how do I make this thing bigger? Background check mark. Oh, I see. So we go like... Oh no, why did it do that? What am I doing? Okay, let's take this, and then I'm pretty sure I press Alt there, do that. Oh my god, I'm learning. No, I'm not learning, I'm dumb. Do you have a new line in the text? I don't think so. No. Oh my god, thank you for the follow, Nutcassis. I appreciate it, dude. I'm trying to learn I'm trying to learn Unity to make a silly little game. Before you comment on the design of this, it's not supposed to be good. I just want to learn the software first because I know my first game is going to be bad no matter what game. So I thought it would be kind of silly to make a game that you just played as a car and your only objective was to smash into everything possible. Keep the checkmark huge. I don't know if that's a good idea. Oh my god. Oh, there it is. Okay. I'm gonna... Oh, wait, hold on. I just realized I could change the width and height over here. So let's make it like 28 by 28. Our growth falling already. Thank you! Thank you. I'm glad to hear it. Alright, there we go. Wait, hold on. Do I want to make it like white at first, and then what happens when it's pushed? Wait, hold on. This is when it's check marked. Okay, let's just play it and see. Oh, I see. It just puts the check on there. Oh, is it 3D or 2D? It's gonna be 2D. Because I want to make mostly 2D games. I do want to make a couple 3D games, but I just feel like that would just be crazy amounts of bugs in Bound. Okay, let's change the label. Let's make it emboldened. Bold. Full screen. Full screen. There we go. Nice. And then the color. How do I change the color? Oh, okay. Black. Nice. Yeah. Are you gonna learn pixel art? Oh wait, you're right. I would need to do that. I don't know. I mean, I have like normal. I kind of want to do normal art, but I'm not sure how well that's gonna go. Honestly, if I were to make an actual serious project, like, I want to make it weird. Like, I want to make it really weird. Maybe I'd have some characters pixel art, some characters just full on 3D, some characters normal art. Maybe get a couple other artists to like make their own styles. Maybe I'd have a character that's just like real life pencil on paper. I don't know. Just make an image, then pixelize it. Those are usually very bad. But I don't know. Alright, so I think this is all I could want from a screen. From a screen. Why is full screen still on there? Oh, it's because it's not under options menu. I see. There we go. Hey, this is kind of nice. They don't actually work there. Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! They will, and it will be awesome. Okay, I don't think I need to make any more changes to this. You should add functions without options. I'm getting there! Wow! You guys... That was me taking away your lips so you can't speak anymore. Because I'm like... we're taking it step by step. It's not like I can just make it and give it functionality at the same time. That's that right? And also resolution should be automatically gotten. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
You can see that I'm using the ordinary slider component. Now let's hook this up to a script. We can place the script anywhere we want. I'm just going to select my canvas. I'm going to hit add component and let's call it the settings menu.
You moved the full screen toggle while it was running. What? Wait, how? What? There's no way. You'd not believe what I found. What'd you find? That's a good idea, Greninja. Honestly, I could do dimensions on here. Your OnlyFans? What? No! I mean, subscribe to my OnlyFans, guys. It's only, there's a sale. No, on the hierarchy. Oh, I see. Okay, thank you. Oh, wait, no, I see. Okay, thank you. Okay, I appreciate it, Aaron. Alright, now we're gonna give it functionality.
Let's select C# and hit create an ad.
Honestly, volume should be longer, actually. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah.
We then double click it to open it up in Visual Studio. And the first thing that I want to do is
Oh wait, hold on. I wasn't paying attention.
I'm going to hook this up to a script. We can place the script anywhere we want. I'm just going to select my canvas. I'm going to hit add component and let's call it the settings menu. Let's select C# and hit create an ad. We then double click it to open it up in Visual Studio. And the first thing that I want to do is delete our two methods and instead create our own one. We'll make sure to mark it as public so that we can trigger it from our slider. We'll make it void because we don't want to return anything. And let's call it set volume. We'll then take in a value from our slider. This is going to be of type float because we want a value with decimal places. And let's just call it volume. Now we can easily set it up so that whenever we move our slider, this function will get called and Unity will then feed in the current value of the slider as volume. Just to show you this happening, let's go ahead and write debug.log and let's display the volume variable. If we now save this, go into Unity, select our volume slider and scroll down to where it says on value change.
Made an emote that's a terrible representation of your industry mug. I can't wait to see it, dude. It would be funny to label the ends of a volume bar with mute and pain. I could try.
Select our volume slider and scroll down to where it says on value changed. This is an event.
Okay, file, save. Let's get out of here.
That will volume slider and scroll down to where it says on value changed. This is an event that will trigger.
What's up, hey Jay, sweet coding? Oh yeah, I mean, I'm not really coding. This is like very simple stuff. I'm mostly trying to learn Unity because I already know like how to code and whatever. So hold on, if I drag settings menu there, monoscript, what? Wait, did I even put it on the right thing? Okay, yeah, I did. We were hired to make code in the Bam Bam 4. I was. They recruited me. I don't know. I don't know. I just put in a bunch of random characters. I didn't even know what I was doing.
Changes. We can then add an action to this event by hitting the plus sign. Let's then drag in the object that our script is sitting on. That's in our case the canvas. We now view all of the
Oh, I know what I did wrong now. Okay, so we grab in the hold on. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Oh no, I didn't mean to do that. Uh-oh, wait, stop. Okay, there we go, we're good. They need you to perfect the chair physics. The chair physics does not need to be fixed. I think it's the industry standard at this point. Hold on, let's rename this to volume slider and then drag in the canvas to here and then game object, settings menu, set volume. Did we do it?
Components on this canvas. I'm gonna go on our settings menu script and you can see that our function set volume now appears here. It also
Oh, I'm a genius. Wait, hold on, there's one more thing I need to do. Settings menu, set volume float. There we go. There we go. What's the game title? Game. I was planning on changing it later, but I never actually do that. What type of game we got here? We got like a car game. So this is literally my first Unity project, and everybody's first Unity project is garbage. So I'm thinking if I just intentionally make it awful, then, you know, it's not like anybody's expectations are really high. Mine aren't high. So you're gonna be in a car, and the goal is to run into everything you possibly can. Pedestrians, like, you know when you're on the street and you like see a jogger on the side of the road and you're like, that guy would be 25 points right there. Well, now we can fully realize that dream. This is your first? Yeah, this is my first. I mean, technically there is another, but like it wasn't really customized at all. Frogger but reverse. Yeah. Can the boss fight be a family of 8? That's such a good idea. I don't think I'm good enough to make a boss fight yet, but as soon as I am, that's so funny. Yeah, we could make the boss like a family of 4. That's so funny. I don't even know how the boss fight mechanics would work because I'm just planning on everything being an instant kill.
Also says that it takes in a float, but instead of selecting it from the list down here, let's go to the top where it says dynamic float, and here it also
are you kidding? I had it right the first time. He just selected the wrong thing first.
appears. The reason why our function gets put to the top is that Unity recognizes that our function takes
Whiskey power up is double points. You're giving me so many good ideas right now.
in a float value, and so Unity will automatically input the value of our slider into that float. So let's select the method at the top here, and my slider is set to go between -80 and 0. I'll show you why in just a second, but we should now see that if we hit play and start to drag on this slider, a bunch of messages will appear in our console, and that
oh my god. Oh my god, it's working. Wow, things are happening. Whoa. Wait, what if I set it to whole numbers? That wouldn't go well. Where's the console? It's at the very bottom left here. Wait, can you guys... Okay, yeah, it's not being blocked by anything. Flying driver's license, in order to take damage, you lose your reckless nature and drive. That's funny. Now that I think about it, drunk driving simulator, that'd be awesome. Also, I'm also gonna make all the sound effects with my mouth, because I feel like it would be funny.
as I decrease the slider, the value that they show gets reduced. So if I drag it all the way to the bottom, we can see it says -80, and if I drag it all the way to the top, it says 0.
Awesome. Sing Freebird for the music. I should like sing it like really, really scrunkly. Like first take, that's it. Just one.
What we need to do is use this value to control the volume of our game. To do that, we'll go Window, and we'll open up the audio mixer. I'm just gonna dock this by the game view, and you might already...
What is the audio mixer? Oh, that's why we're... Okay, wait,
already have added a mixer to your game. If not, we can go and hit the plus sign. This will create a mixer in our project panel. I'm just gonna rename this to main mixer, and here we can create different channels for the different layers of audio in our game. We could have...
Oh, this is cool.
This by the game view, and you might already have added a mixer to your game. If not, we can go and hit the plus sign. This will create a mixer in our project panel. I'm just gonna rename this to main mixer, and here we can create different channels for the different layers of audio in our game. We could have one for music, one for gameplay sounds, and so on.
Oh, this is really cool. Need witty one-liners. We're getting... I'm not even done with the options menu. We're getting way ahead of ourselves. You can do that thing where you sing it multiple times and overlap them. Oh, that's a good idea. Like what I did, I don't know if you guys have seen the video, but like what I did with the I Want It That Way video. Do you guys remember that?
But we just want to adjust the volume of our master slider. We can do that by simply dragging on it in here, but how do we control this through script? Well, whenever we are working with the audio mixer, we have the possibility of exposing parameters. This means that we make values editable.
I don't remember where's the video. It's like, I don't remember what the video is called, but it's like the really buff version of Richard, what's Gumball's last name? Richard Watterson from The Amazing World of Gumball.
Through scripts. In our case, we want to expose our volume parameter. So I'm going to select the master group.
Do you guys know it would be really cool Imagine if like I revisit this game after becoming a decent game developer and then like hide a game inside of this game. Like imagine I make it like some insane imagine I hide some insane horror game in this. Hold on, let's see. Oh yeah, that's it. That's definitely it. Then it'll actually be game. I'm obsessed with that genre of like horror. You know, where it's just like a normal like it's just you are the family of four. Shut up, please. Oh my god. Okay. Alright. But I'm obsessed with that genre of game where it just seems like a normal game and then it just goes now it's terrifying. Like kind of like Doki Doki Literature Club, although personally I thought it was kind of mid because there's too much visual novel and not enough horror. I mean, maybe, I don't know. I thought that was a really good game. I don't think I played it at all. But from the playthroughs I saw, it was pretty good. Amori? Yeah, Amori too, you're right.
Here, go to the
I love
right
Amori.
where it says volume. I'm gonna right click here and hit expose volume of master to script. Now at the top where it says exposed parameters, if we click here, we should see a new
Wait, where does it say exposed parameters? What?
to script. Now at the top where it says exposed parameters, if we
Oh, right here.
click here, we should see a new parameter. This is a parameter for the volume, and currently it's just called my exposed param. Let's right click on this, hit rename, and let's just call it something like volume. And the reason why I chose my slider to go from 0 to -80 is that this is what our master does. It starts off at 0, and we then decrease it all the way down to -80. So if we now open up our script, instead of just showing our volume in the console, let's change our volume on the mixer. To do that, we need a reference to our audio mixer, so we'll create a public. And to reference an audio mixer, we need to be using the Unity Engine audio system. So at the top here, we'll write using Unity Engine.
Oh boy, things are happening.
Audio. And now we can create a public audio mixer. We'll call it audio mixer. And then inside of our set volume function, we'll go audio mixer dot set float, and the float that we want to set is our volume. Make sure you spell this in the exact same way that you did when renaming the parameter, and we'll then set a value for this parameter. In our case, we just want to set it to volume, so whatever the value of our slider is.
Okay, we're back. No spoilers, I bought it and haven't played it yet. I love, oh, dude, Amori is literally, don't worry, I won't spoil it at all, okay? It's literally such a good game. It's probably one of my favorite games. Like, at least from a story perspective. Like, I'm very, very, very against giving Amori spoilers, because it's a very story-based game. You're in for a ride. You're in for a very, very long ride. Oh my god. I love it so much.
If we now save this and go into Unity, we can dock our audio mixer to the right of our game view. We can then select.
Okay, let's put the audio mixer up here. Stop it! Put the audio. Stop it! Put the audio up here. There we go. Ah! Stop! Please! Okay, there we go. Good. Yes, we fixed. Alright. I'm busy playing BattleBit and CSGO. I haven't heard of BattleBit. What's that? 100% the game. Oh my god, 100%ing the game is probably the most excruciating thing you can possibly do ever.
Our canvas, and we now have an empty slot for our audio mixer. This is where we'll drag in our main mixer, and if we now hit play.
Okay, wait, hold on. Where are we and what are we doing? Oh. 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 Ho ho. Oh. Like that.
And drag on our slider, we can see the value updating for our.
Oh my god, wait, is it working? Hold on. Oh my god, it's working! Okay, awesome. Oh yeah, sweet OMG. What's up? OMG, no way, volume slicer. No way! Imagine Battlefield but pixelated and blocky, and there's proximity chat between both teams, and there's a 127v127. That actually sounds so fun. Like, just the proximity chat alone. That sounds so toxic, but so fun. Make the upper end of the slider like 20. That would instantly kill the listener.
Master as well. Awesome. So next we want to change the graphics quality of our game. Well, we want to be doing this using our graphics dropdown. This is just a standard.
It's not toxic, it's scary when you're just minding your own business and see the VC light up red and hear a bunch of people yelling. That's funny.
UI dropdown, and I've simply gone in and changed the options to low, medium, and high. You can up down, and I've simply gone in and changed the options to low, medium,
okay,
and
I don't
high.
actually care about the graphics quality.
Awesome. The next thing that we want to hook up is our full screen toggle. This is just a simple toggle UI element. Again, let's go to our canvas and open up our settings menu. For this, we want to create yet another method. Again, it's going to be a public void. We'll call it set full screen. This time it's going to take in a boolean because our toggle is either going to be true or false. Let's just call it is full screen. And this is actually also really simple to change. All we need to do is go screen dot full screen and set it equal to our is full screen variable. Now again, we need to hook this up to our UI, so we'll go into Unity. We'll select our full screen toggle. At the bottom here where it says on value change.
Wait, is that what he said to do? Hold on.
Is full screen variable.
Okay.
Now again, we need to hook this up to our UI, so we'll go into Unity. We'll select our full screen toggle. At the bottom here where it says on value changed, we want to add an action. So whenever we mess with our toggle, we want something to happen. Here we want to reference our canvas where our script is. We then want to go under our script. And again, at the top here under dynamic bool, we should now see our set full screen method. And just like with our dropdown,
where's the set full screen method? I don't see it.
Reference our canvas where our script is. We then want to go toggle, we want something to again at the top.
Hold on. Canvas settings menu enabled. I'm in another mode. Use GUI layout. What? Did I save it right? File save. Shut up. That's you. He sneezed in chat. Use GUI layout. What? What? I don't get it. What did I do wrong? Hold on.
Or change. All we need to do is go screen dot full screen.
Public void set full screen. Bool is full screen. Screen dot full screen equals
to our is full screen.
What?
Now again, we need to hook this up to our UI. So we'll go into Unity. We'll select our full screen toggle.
Did you do something before that?
This is just a simple toggle UI element. Again, let's go to our canvas
and
open up our settings menu. For this, we want to create yet another method. Again, it's going to be a public void. We'll call it set full screen. This time it's going to take in a boolean because our toggle is either going to be true or false. Let's just call it is full screen. And this is actually also really simple to change. All we need to do is go screen dot full screen and set it equal to our is full screen variable. Now again,
is screen even in scope? I don't know. I don't even know what you mean by that. I'm kind of dumb. Okay, full screen toggle. Canvas. Right. I put in the canvas. Settings menu. There's nothing! There's nothing! Try running. All compile errors. Oh. 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 What?
Again, we need
Hold
to
on, maybe he fixes it.
Do we want to render dynamic bool? We should now see our set full. So under our script, something to happen. Here we want to reference our canvas where our script is. We then want to go under our script, and again at the top here under dynamic bool, we should now see our set. Go top bottom here where it's up screen. Really simple to change.
Yeah, it's not in scope, but it's all public. What? What? What?
All we need to do is go screen dot full screen and set it equal to our is full screen.
Hold on.
Variable.
My code looks exactly like his, right? Just don't worry about all this top stuff. Just worry about you do to include it. Like the using thing, he doesn't. I don't know. Maybe it has to do with like something down here. The SDK. That is weird. Yeah, I don't know what's up. Control S. Is it Command S? Okay, hold on. Control S. It's saved. Maybe I didn't save it right. Screen does not contain a definition for full screen. Oh no, I found it. Don't worry. I found it. You're stupid. There we go, no more errors. There we go. Okay. Well, now I feel kind of dumb, but that's fine. It's a full screen. There we go.
Now again, we need to hook this up to our UI, so we'll go into Unity. We'll select our full screen toggle. At the bottom here where it says on value changed, we want to add an action. So whenever we mess with our toggle, we want something to happen. Here we want to reference our canvas where our script is. We then
I think I deleted the SDK recently, but I'll see.
Want to go under our script, and again at the top here under dynamic bool, we should now see our set full screen method. And just like with our dropdown and with our slider, Unity will automatically set the value of our isFullScreen variable to whatever the value of our toggle is. Which means that if we just go ahead and hit play, we can now switch in and out of full screen. Of course, this isn't really visible, but that's only because we're playing inside of the editor. We can simply build our game in order to see this take effect. But before we do that, there's a final thing that we want to add. I'm of course talking about our resolution dropdown. Again, this is just a simple dropdown. I've just put in 3 places.
This is the longest segment of the video.
Options. These really aren't important and you can simply remove them if you want. The reason why is that we don't know beforehand what options we have available. This is something that Unity will figure out for us because it's going to completely depend on what computer your game will run on. So before we start changing the resolution of our game, we need to make sure that we have the correct options. To do that, we'll again select our canvas and open up our settings menu. And at the top here, we'll now create a void start method. This is of course called as soon as our scene loads, and here we want to gather some information about what resolutions we have at our disposal. We can get an array, which basically just means a list of all the resolutions by going screen.resolutions, and let's go ahead and store these in a variable so we can access them later.
That's not spelled right. That's really real lustions. There we go.
The top called resolution. We want to turn this into an array, so we'll mark it with 2 square brackets, and let's call it resolutions. Then in the start method, we'll set our resolutions variable equal to screen.resolutions. We now want to go through and add each of the resolutions to our dropdown. To do that, we need a reference to our dropdown component. And because our dropdown is a UI element, we need to be using UnityEngine.ui. So let's go to the top here and add a line saying using UnityEngine.ui. Let's then create a variable that will reference our UI element, so public dropdown, and let's call it resolution dropdown. Then right
Wait,
after
what are we
get
doing?
a list of
Oh.
all of the resolutions, we want to clear out the default options that we have on our dropdown to make sure that we start with a clean slate. To do that, we
God.
access our resolution dropdown and we call the function called clear options. And now we're ready to add some options. To do this, we'll be using resolution dropdown.add.
Wait, this is VS Code, not Visual Studio. Yeah. Resolution dropdown dot clear options. I don't know why it doesn't autocomplete. Resolution dropdown dot add
options. And of course you might think to just put in our resolutions here and call it a day. But unfortunately the add options takes in a list of strings and not an array of resolutions. So this won't work. We have to turn our array of resolutions into a list of nicely formatted strings. To do this, let's start by creating a list of strings. Notice how I'm using a different syntax for creating this list. That's because this is in fact a
Wait,
list,
string
not an array. The only
is string not capital in C sharp or C++ or whatever coding language I'm using right now? C sharp, yeah. Honestly, C sharp is a lot like Java.
The difference is that an array has a fixed size, but the size of a list can be changed. So now we'll give our list a name, we'll just call it options, and we'll set it equal to a new list of strings. We can then loop through each element in our resolutions array. So for int I is less than resolutions.length I++, and for each element we want to create a string called our option. And here we could display it something like the width of our resolution, and then plus an x, so times, and then the height of our resolution. So to get the width of our resolution, we take the resolution that we're currently looking at, which is the ith element of resolutions, and then we can access dot width, and we do the same thing with height. So resolutions, and we give it the index I dot height. And we can then write options dot add to add an element to our options list, and here we simply give it the option string that we just created. And finally, when we're done looping through all the elements, we'll tell our resolution dropdown to add some options. The options that we want to add is our options list. So now just to go through this, we clear out all the options in our resolution dropdown. We create a list of strings, which is going to be our options. We then loop through each element in our resolutions array. And for each of them, we create a nicely formatted string that displays our resolution, and we add it to our options list. When we're done looping through, we'll add our options list to our
Why is it string in some languages and string in others? Yeah, I know, that's weird.
resolution dropdown. If we save this now and go into Unity, we should get an empty slot here for our resolution dropdown. Here we of course want to drag in our dropdown, and if
Okay, here. Where's the empty slot?
we now hit slot here for our resolution.
Uh-oh. Invalid expression term? Uh-oh. Did I mess up? Get the SDK, open, download .NET SDK. I don't even know how to do any of this. You did comma instead of semicolon. What? Where? I would never. You lie. After in. Oh, you're right. Alright, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just clicking accept on every single thing that I see. Honestly, I'm surprised you caught that so quickly. Alright, I'm waiting for it to download real quick. I always do that too. It feels more natural to me for some reason. I don't know, it just feels weird putting semicolons inside the parentheses. Okay, we got .net. So if I do that, does that work? No. No, it doesn't. But that's fine. Because we're just going to save it and keep moving on. Alright, let's go to the canvas.
Drop down. Here we of course.
Oh wait, there's another error. Cannot convert from Unity Engine.resolution to system. Okay, so wait, 2839. Did I spell resolutions right in all these places? Oh wait, this is a call to the array. Oh wait, did I just not spell them right? Wait, maybe I fixed it. No. On line 28. You did resolutions. Did I read the error? Well, I'm wishing that this actually fixed the error. Cannot convert from Unity Engine.resolution to system collection. Drop down option data. Resolution drop down to that options.
And go into
Wait, what the fuck?
Mozilla resolution.
Just tab between Unity and an editor. Okay, maybe I should. That add options? No, I think. Oh, wait. Oh, are you kidding? Welcome back, AJ. What? Oh wait, so it's fixed now. Okay. Why did I even do that? What even happened? Okay, resolution drop down. I assume I just drag this in there. What? Oh, so I can't do that.
And we add it to our options list. When we're done looping through, we'll add our options list to our resolution dropdown. If we save this now and go into Unity, we should get an empty slot here for our resolution dropdown. Here we of course want to drag in our dropdown, and if we
What? What do you mean drag in our dropdown? What? Did I do another thing wrong in the code?
we added to
Oh, wait a second. Is it like that? No, these are just strings. It doesn't even matter.
to our options list. When we're done looping through, we'll add our options list to our resolution dropdown. If we save this now and go into Unity, we should get an empty slot here for our resolution dropdown. Here we of course want to drag in our dropdown, and if we now
Is it like, do we need to make it an empty dropdown? I think we might need to make it an empty dropdown. Oh my god, my poor brain. Org. Alright, I'm gonna try just removing all the options from this. I might regret it, but that's fine. I think I messed up. I think I messed up. Yes, I messed up. Can I undo? Oh my god, I can. Oh, praise the Lord. Okay. Alright, now what the fnuck did I do wrong?
Play for a resolution up down. If we save this,
let's go back to the settings menu. Org. Why isn't the SDK doing its thing? Void start. Oh, see you, Alpha. Void start resolutions equals screen. Resolutions. Resolution drop down to clear options. List string options equals new list string. For int I equals 0, I is less than resolutions dot length, I plus plus. String option equals resolutions I dot width plus x plus resolutions I dot height. Options dot add option. Resolution drop down dot add options. It looks right to me.
now through will display in our resolution. So now just to go through this, we
Almost like, hold on. No, those are all spelled right. Ah! Do you guys see any problems?
clear our options that we want to add is our options. Tell our resolution drop down to add some options.
I don't think the issue is in the code. Well then why can't I put the thingy in the badingy? What's the template here? Can I just remove this? I hope I didn't just mess that up. The thing isn't the right thing you made. Oh. Oh, I messed it up. Uh-oh. Okay, there we go. Now does it work? Oh. Oh. Oh, okay. Interesting. Why doesn't this work? I could just make a new drop down. And I think I'll do that. UI, drop down, text mesh pro. Put this above the volume slider. Okay. So drop down, options. I don't even think I need any options here. Hold on. Let me just see if I can. I still can't drag it into there. It's even highlighted, but it doesn't. See, it says resolution dropdown is blue. No.
The options that we want to add is our options list. So now just to go through this, we clear out all the options in our resolution dropdown.
Maybe it's the dropdown under legacy. Maybe you're right. Oh my god. You're right. You're a genius. Thank you, Panda. That's weird though. Resolution drop down. Okay. Normal color. Whap. Highlighted color. Whap. Whap. Pressed color. Whap. Selected color. Whap. And this is that. Probably is a new way of doing it though. Yeah, but I'm lazy. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, that's too big. All right, I like that. Now, let me change the label real quick. I'm just gonna do best fit, and then bold, and then I don't know why the color is like that ugly green. All right, now if I go to canvas, take the resolution. Oh wait, it's already in there. Oh my god! Wow! Wow! Whoa! That's so cool. Whoa. All right.
We create a list of strings, which is going to be our options. We then loop through each element in our resolutions array, and for each of them we create a nicely formatted string that displays our resolution, and we add a resolution drop down. Here we of course want to drag in our drop down, and if we now hit play, we should see that we have all of the available resolutions in our drop down. The only thing that it doesn't do is select the correct one right off the bat. To change this, let's go into our script. Right before we start looping, let's create an integer called our current resolution index. Let's just default it to 0. We'll then go into our for loop and we'll check if resolutions to the ith element, so the resolution that we're currently looking at, is equal to screen.current resolution. So if the current resolution we're looking at is equal to our resolution, well then we want to go ahead and set our current resolution index equal to I. There's just one slight problem with this, and this is extremely annoying, and that is that you can't compare two resolution types. Don't ask me why this isn't in here. So we actually have to compare first the width and then the height of both resolutions. So resolutions to I.width is equal to screen.currentResolution.width, and we'll put in two ands here, resolutions to I.height is equal to screen.currentResolution.
Oh, I see. If resolution is I.width, current resolution width, and screen. Wait, hold on. Resolutions I.height equals screen.current resolution. Am I spelling this right? Oh, resolutions height. There we go. There we go. Okay.
Height. So now we compare both the width and the height of our resolutions. And if they both match up, well then we're looking at the correct resolution. So we store the index of that. And then after we add all the options, we can go resolution dropdown dot value and set it equal to our current resolution index, as well as go resolution dropdown dot refresh shown value in order to actually display it. Now I know this code does.
Okay, this is nice. We're actually doing stuff now. The best thing is I only need to do this stuff once. Although I actually do kind of want to learn the real code behind this. I just feel like, I don't know, for game design, it's just not even that important, I'm finding. Of course, it is going to be important later when I want to do more customized things. Right now, it's just not even that big of a deal that I have no idea what I'm doing. What do you mean the real code? Well, like, I don't know. Once we have this, we just have it, and like the coding isn't even that important afterwards, from what I've observed.
Doesn't feel pretty, but updating resolutions in Unity has always been a bit of a hassle. But that's alright, because this should actually work now. So if we save this, go into Unity and hit play, you can see that it automatically sets itself to full HD.
Okay, let's see. Oh no! No! Please don't tell me I did all that in... Okay, okay. All compiler errors? Uh-oh. $34. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Okay. Of course, naturally. Oh, there's more errors. Okay. Line 28. The name resolutions does not exist. They're all just spelling errors. Okay. I don't think I fixed everything yet, but I guess we'll see. Oh my god, did we fix everything? Oh my god, it works! Wow! Okay, nice.
HD, which I know is indeed the default resolution for my system. Then we can of course go in here and change it, but this doesn't update. Fortunately, updating your resolution is much easier. All we have to do here is create another function just like we did with all our other properties. We'll create a public void set resolution. This is going to take in a integer called our resolution index. This works in the exact same way that it did for our set quality dropdown. Now inside of this function, we'll write screen.setResolution. Now this takes in a width and a height, as well as a boolean saying whether or not we want the game to be displayed in full screen. To get the width and the height, we need to simply use our resolution index to find the correct element in our resolutions array. So we'll create a resolution variable here. Let's call it resolution. We'll set it equal to resolutions, and as the index, we'll give it our resolution index.
If I hear the word resolution again, I'm gonna blow up. It doesn't sound like a real word anymore. No, I know, I forgot it, but I'll get to it later.
The resolution that we want to select in our array, and we then simply use resolution.width as well as resolution.height. And as for the full screen parameter, well, let's just use screen.fullscreen, just like we did down here. So we'll input screen.fullscreen. And voila! If you now save this, go into Unity, select our resolution dropdown, scroll to the bottom.
Wait, is it lowercase?
If you now save this,
okay.
Go into Unity.
I think we did it.
Select our resolution dropdown, scroll to the bottom. Let's add a new action to our onValueChanged event. Let's
Oh god, what is he even doing? Let's scroll down, onValueChanged event.
drag in our canvas, go under our settings menu and choose set resolution as the function. We then save our scene, go file, build settings. We'll drag in our scene.
What are you doing? He's going so fast.
Go under our settings menu and choose set resolution as the function. We then save our scene, go file, build settings. We'll drag in our scene to the scenes and build. Let's hit build and run. I'm gonna
What are you doing?
Settings. We'll drag in our scene to the scenes and build.
Can you try it outside of the Unity? Yeah, I could.
Build and run. I'm going to create a separate folder for this, and let's name it test build. Now Unity is going to start.
Oh, wait, that's what he's doing right now. Wait, hold on.
Start building and create a separate settings. We'll drag resolution as the function. We then save our scene, go file, build settings. We'll drag in our scene to the scenes and build.
Okay, file, build settings, get rid of game.
Let's hit build and run. I'm going to create a separate folder for this, and let's name it test build. Now Unity is going to start building our game.
Test.
It's going to open up in full screen, and we should now see that we can adjust the resolution of our game, choose whether or not we want it to be full screen. We can change the graphics quality and adjust the volume. Awesome.
Wait, stop. He's going so fast. Okay. I'm just gonna go to desktop. Game test 1. Actually no, game testing. Oh, I didn't make a new folder. New folder, game testing. Okay. Then we're gonna make a new folder, game test 1. That's an exclamation point. Game test 1. There we go. Select that. Okay. We're building it.
Now that we have our settings menu, we can go edit, project settings, go under player, and here under standalone player options, we can make sure to set display resolution dialog to disabled, so that we
Okay, what did he just do?
don't get options. We can make sure project settings, go under player, and here under
Hold on. We're waiting for it to run the burst compiler. Oh my god, it's already up. Wow. Oh my god, this is awesome. Wow. Whoa, the volume is even changing. Wow, this is something else. I wonder if the quit button works. This is so... Why are there so many? Why are there so many of this? Okay, it doesn't matter. And the quit button works too. Wow. Things are happening.
standalone menu, we can go edit, project settings, go under player, and here under standalone player options, we can make sure to set display resolution dialog to disabled. So
standalone player options? Where the fluck? What? Display resolution dialog. Where even is that? Where's that?
So that we don't get that annoying default settings window before we play the game. Dialog to disabled. So that we don't get that annoying default to set display resolution dialog.
Oh wait, is it in here? Oh. Well. Display resolution dial. Oh, okay, it is in here. Where though? Where is it? Help. Oh, company name? Swooby. It's disabled by default now, I think. Yeah, but I still want to find the option just in case. War? Oh gee, I can't wait for the next game from Swooby. I know! I'm as excited as you are. I don't see it anywhere, but it should be on here because I looked it up and it appeared like oh god, wait, hold on. Uh-oh. Display resolution Dialogues. Yeah, it should be in here. Where? Where? Like, it highlights it. Oh, I'm back to default. Okay, hold on. Swoopy. Help me!
Dialog 2. And here under standalone player options.
Standalone player options? Is it just not here anymore and they forgot to remove it? Whatever, I don't care.
We can make sure to set display resolution dialog to disabled so that we don't get that annoying default settings window before we play the game. And that should be it. Yay! That's pretty much it for this video. Again, if you haven't checked out the Christmas calendar giveaway, there's a link for that in the description. The DevDoc guys are super nice and definitely deserve a big thank.
Oh, my neck hurts. Yay! Okay. We now have something. Oh yeah, why does it start in the options screen though? This is great. I'm so glad that we have so many different options between 640 by 480, 640 by 480. Oh my god. We have something. We have something. How many monitors do you have? I have 2. You know, actually, hold on. I might actually be able to fix this. String option if option, hold on. Option is a list of strings, right? Yeah. If option is not equal to option, hold on. Options I minus 1. That should work, I think. Maybe. Oh, but I'm gonna have to build and run this again. Whatever, that's fine. Oh, I just realized why it wasn't, the build and run thing wasn't working. Wait, I get it. It's because I have to do this, and then that, and then go to File, Build and Run, Save. Why didn't it happen when running on Udemy? Probably because I don't have 2 options. Oh no! Uh-oh! Oh, wait. I think I might know the reason why. If option dot equals, oh god, what have I done? Oh, but this is comparing it to like the -1. Oh. Okay, hold on. Yeah, 0 minus 1. Okay. So I guess I could just make a new function. Like a for each. For each string in options. Hold on. For each string option in options. Hold on, test option. Just to make it a little bit easier. If I don't know. This is actually kind of difficult. If options dot index of test option, hold on. +1. Okay, wait, hold on. I might be getting somewhere here. If options dot index of test option +1 equals test option. Hold on, I should make it a dot equals. Dot equals test option. Options dot remove test option. Maybe that'll work? I don't know. It's kind of a stretch. But let's build and run it. Oh god. Build completed with a result of unknown. What? Is there an error? How does it not know what happened to the build? I don't know. What? Build settings. Build and run. I could just save it to a new folder. Game test 1. Hold on, let's just delete this. This is stupid. Okay, now we name this to game test 1. Why? Why would you do that? What's happening? Is it just the code I made that's flubing it? I'd be surprised. Maybe not that surprised, but it was literally just my code. Are you serious? You wrote such bad code. The code wasn't even bad! Like, did you see any issues with it? Oh, I didn't copy my code. Okay. I don't know. I don't know what's causing this. Wait, let me just look it up. Why are there duplicate resolutions on my Unity game? Oh, I see. Just add the refresh rates after the resolution in the option string. But I don't care about the refresh rates. Hold on. Let me try doing if refresh rate, hold on. Actually, no, I have a better idea. Do I have a better idea? I actually don't think I do. Oh no. Oh wait, maybe I do. Okay. So for string test option in options, if test, wait, no, these are strings. What am I doing? Oh, wait, what? What the fuck? If it is, just do I plus equals n. Yeah, I mean, although that's a good idea, I think it is doing it for every one of my monitors, so I feel like that would just be, I don't know, wouldn't be good. I could just keep it for now. What even is this? All right, you know what? You know what? I don't care. That's my final verdict. I don't care. Oh, okay. There we go. Yep, it works. Yippee! Build and run. Yeah. This is good. This is good. We like this. Okay. Now, should I start working on the game today? I don't know, because we are ready to start working on the game. Yes? Okay. Actually, this is pretty good as it is. Hold on. Does this work in the actual game? This is good. This is really good. Honestly, it's pretty finished as it is. It's pretty polished. All right. Actually, I don't know. I don't know if I want to do it today. Yeah, I think I'm gonna continue another day, because we've made some good progress today. Yeah. All right. So I'm not gonna say tomorrow. I'm not gonna say tomorrow because I don't know when I'm gonna be doing this next. But next time, I'll start working on an actual car and like controlling it, and then maybe I'll work on like obstacles and environment and all that garbage. We did good today, broskies. Thank you so much for joining me. For anyone who doesn't know, I give you all a big hug at the end of my stream. So bring it in, broskies. I love and appreciate you all. I hope you enjoyed. Stay silly, and I'll see you in the next stream. Bye.